this Karwachauth, let's get ready like a celebrity and rock the look. So let's do this glam look with me. I want you to keep your products in front of you so that we can get ready for this Karwachauth together. Right now I'm prepping and priming my skin. If you have watched my previous video, you must be knowing by now how important prepping and priming is. If you haven't subscribed me yet, please hit the subscribe button so that we can chit chat more about makeup and fashion. I am depuffing my face with a gua sha stone. I'll be writing down all the product details in the captions. Now I'm aiming for a super simple tutorial so that all of you can get ready, and I want you to get ready with me and tag me so that I can see all of you beautiful ladies. Now I'm taming my brows. I'm using a brow gel which is from e.l.f. Any brow gel or clear mascara will work for you. If you don't have it, use a hairspray. Using Milani Bright Side Primer. This is an illuminating primer. Since we are doing celebrity look, I want our skin to glow. Now after illuminating primer, I am using this e.l.f. Halo Glow. All of these products are available on Nykaa. Can you see how beautiful my skin is looking over here? We are going to do this makeup in reverse makeup technique. So I'm using color corrector over here. Then I'll apply my blush and contour first, and then we will apply the foundation later. Yes, it's gonna be super exciting. So let's see, I'm using a cream bronzer over here and I am applying on the perimeters of my face. Using Rare Beauty blush here. It's available on Sephora. I have checked it. This is how my face looks like after applying all the products. Now we are going to use Milani foundation. This is a 2-in-1 foundation. Generally they say you don't have to use a concealer beneath it, but this is not of my shade, so I had to use a concealer. I like this makeup. This is very beginner friendly because if your contour goes here and there or your blush goes here and there while getting ready, you are anyway putting foundation over it. So there is a scope that you can control your makeup even if anything goes wrong. Don't forget your ears. I like how my skin is looking so dewy right now. Using NARS concealer in the lighter shade again, I'm going to apply it on the under eye, on the brow bone and on the lids. The reason I'm applying it like that because I want to just pop my eyes. I won't be using a lot of eyeshadows today. I'm just cutting the darkness around the eyes. Now just pushing the product in my skin. Making faces here because I forgot to wear my lenses. Ladies, don't repeat this mistake. Just apply your lenses before you start the look. Using eye Kohl here, it helps in removing the dryness. Attention all the brides to be. You can keep this in your purse. It will help you while taking photos. And adoring myself again. So this is a Maybelline foundation which is in compact form. I'm going to apply it. If you have seen my previous video, I have explained how compacts which are heavy needs to be applied with a very gentle hand and in circular motions. These are heavy compacts, so make sure you work quite fast. Don't keep your hand at one place. This is what my face looks like right now. Even after powdering, you can see the healthy glow that's coming. I'm going to use K by Katrina's soft nude blush. I like this blush, but the fact that it vanishes after some time, you need to keep it in your vanity for touch-ups. Using Milani's blush as well because it has a little bit sparkles, so I like the healthy glow it gives to my skin. Now Hoola bronzer is popular and is available in India, so I'm using it and giving a nice bronzed look. So I'm using the same bronzer on my transition area. This is how you should be applying it. You can see the movements I'm doing right now. This should be the motion of the brush and hold the brush from the bottom. Now I'm using K by Katrina highlighter on my lids to pop my lid and on the brow bone to pop my brows. Using MAC Fix Plus on my brush to pop the shade more. Now if you don't have any eyeshadow, you can use a liquid lipstick. I'm using a Chambor lipstick over here and applying it on the transition area to pop the color a little bit more. This should be the movement of your brush. Now I'm going ahead and curling my lashes before putting fake eyelashes. I like to curl them and then I'm going to apply Uroparis Pro 6 eyelashes today with the duo glue. I take it on the back of my thumb, like on the nail of my thumb, and apply it with a tweezer. That's how I place my eyelashes. I've also made a video on this. You can check out my videos and you'll get to see all of these things. Now to merge your fake lashes with real lashes, you need to apply good coat of mascara. I'm using K by Katrina's mascara over here. I like this mascara, and wiggle the wand properly if you want the mascara to fill in all those gaps which are there between your fake lashes and real lashes. That's how you get a merged lashes look, and that's how you get a fuller lashes look as well. This is how my lashes look right now. Now using my Chambor's eye pencil, I'm filling it on the upper lash line to give my lashes more fuller look. Using K by Katrina's highlighter. By the way, I'm wearing my first Karwachauth sari in this look. It's like 10 years old sari that I'm going to wear, and I'm super excited to be showcasing the full look to you. Now I'm putting brown eyeshadow beneath the lower lash line. This is the same eyeshadow that I will be filling in my eyebrows too, using NYX brow gel in dark brown shade. And on the scanty areas of my brows, I'll be filling this MAC Espresso eyeshadow. Now whatever lipstick you are seeing right now, I changed it. I don't know, I have my thing fixed on Charlotte Tilbury's lipstick only. So getting myself ready, fixing my makeup and drying the MAC Fix Plus. Now is the moment to apply the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick and my favorite Dior Rosy Glow, because we can't live without Rosy Glow. Hoping you enjoyed this look. Happy Karwachauth everyone, and I shall see you soon in my next video. Bye.